Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we have a model show coming up for the model club I belong to. They are hosting it on February 7th of 2026, and that's going to be held at the Saginaw SVSU College. So you can go online and do registration to print off and bring with you. So I thought I'd show you a real quick tutorial on running through our website and getting those done to bring to the show to save you some time. And if you don't want to do it, you can always do them at the show. So real quick and easy, just a quick rundown. You're going to pick obviously your favorite web browser, which we're obviously on Google, and you want to do is type in midmichiganmodelmakers.org. As you can see, it'll say, do you mean midmichiganmodelmakers.com? Well, either way, if you click on that, it'll take you to the same spot. So go ahead and click on that. And that brings you to our awesome looking website. So we got a really nice looking website. And you can go up here to the top where it says contest info. So you're going to click on that. And once you go there, it highlights here. And from this point, you can just scroll down. It gives you kind of everything you want to know about what you got going on. Like I said, this is February 7th, 2026. This is the Mid-Michigan Model Makers Show, the 4M Mayhem Show. Theme red, white, and blue. So that is one of the show's theme. So pricing for the show for 2026 is general admission is $5 per person. So if you're that guy, you just want to go in and just browse around, check out things, you know, come in and buy stuff, look at the models on the table, that's your guy. That's you right there. Anybody 12 and under, you are free. Model entries, so for you guys bringing models in, adult price 18 and older is $15 for unlimited models, guys. That's not too bad. So it's either one model or 50, 100, whatever you're bringing in, it's $15. Juniors up to 17 years of age is $5 for unlimited. So same deal. That's a very good price. So while you're at the show, you guys get hungry. There is a concession stand available provided by SVSU, and the students run that. They got a pretty good menu, so it's not too bad. It saves you from having to go out. But if you do want to go out and get something, you're always more than welcome. So with that being said, you are located at Saginaw Valley State University. That's 7400 Bay Road, University Center, Michigan 48710. So if you guys are familiar with the area, they give you a little map here. So this is I-75, so a lot of you come from Detroit, obviously going to be down here. You have Saginaw, you have Bay City, and this is the college here. So registration is at 8 a.m. till noon. Judging is noon to 3, awards at 4. So this should be a pretty good show. This is their 41st show, their anniversary show. That's pretty good. You know, I mean, that's saying a lot. With 11 classes, 35 categories, mecha and gaming figures, welcome. I tell you, they have a lot of that stuff there. It's pretty cool if you guys are into that. So you go down here for your registration process. So just keep scrolling down, simple as can be. So this is the form you want to fill out. This is one of the forms here. So what you're going to do is print this off, and I'll show you here real quick. But before you do this, I suggest you go down here where it says 2026 categories. So you click on this. This will bring you all your categories that you have for the show. So my suggestion would be either print this off, write down just the ones you're bringing. Say if you're in the aircraft and you got such and such scale, write these down, print this off, however you want to do it, save it on another page. But just easier than, you know, having to go back and forth. So you have just a real quick, I'll run down the categories real quick for you. So we have aircraft, that's AC1, 172nd scale and smaller, AC2, 171st to 133rd, AC3, 132nd and larger, the big scale stuff. Yes, love it. Next category, we got science fiction and space. So you got SP1, that's your real spacecraft, kind of like your Apollo and your, your modern day shuttles and whatnot. You got SP2, science fiction, TV, movie, and print subjects of all scales, not including mecha. Mecha, you guys get your own spot here for SP3. Moving down to military vehicles, you got MV1. It sounds something like off the Transformers, doesn't it? This is 148th scale and smaller, MV2, 147th and larger. So you got to pay attention to these because this is 1945 and earlier. So basically older. MV3 would be 1947 and larger, up to 1946 and newer, basically your present day stuff. And then you got MV4 non-armored with or without weapons of all types. MV5 artillery smooth or rifled bore, muzzle or breech loaded, and weaponized rockets, missiles, and rocket artillery. Very cool. Moving down the row, you got figures. This is FG1 bust of all types and scales. FG2, that is 54 millimeter smaller. FG3, 55 millimeter larger. FG4 fantasy and gaming figures, and FG5 animals past and present. Moving down the list, you got dioramas, vignettes, and shadow boxes, if I said that right. You got DR1, that's 1/72 and smaller. DR2, 1/48. DR3, that's 1/35 and larger. And then we get into the big boy stuff here, the ships. Man, I've seen some massive ships at shows before. They're pretty impressive. A lot of time goes into those. So you get SH1, that's 1/500th and smaller types, all types. SH2, 1/499th and larger. Automotive, this is kind of my category. You got AT1, replica factory stock of all type. A22 curbside and slammers, which curbside, you guys know, is basically anything the hood really doesn't open, there's no engine in it. AT3 is Automotive 2, 1960, so anything old up to 60, including your hot rods, customs, and stock. Non-commercial pickup trucks. AT4 is your Automotive 1961 and newer, so basically 61 to anything current. All street machines, stock, non-commercials. AT5 is your competition, all, so that's your NASCAR, circle track, competition straight line, or whatever you have. That's you. AT6 is your light commercial, basically police vehicles, taxi, ramp truck, things with company names or municipal logos on them. And AT7, you have your heavy commercial and farm implement. So box build, BB1, this is one of my favorite categories. You got box build of all types and scales. Kit instructions must be presented at registration. So guys, bring your instructions that you built the model with. Model must be left on the judging table for judging. Only details that can be done to the kit is what is directed by the direction. So no bending sprues and all this kind of stuff, you know, like a lot of us like to do. But you can add bare metal foil and aftermarket decals. They do allow that. So very, very cool. Last few categories, you have junior, that's JR1, and that's age 12 and under. JR2, 13 to 17, all scales and types. And you have 4ME, that's for special need modelers of all type. And you have miscellaneous MS1, and it's for basically anything that is not described in the upper part of this list that we just went through. Okay, so like I say, I suggest printing this off or whatnot. Other than that, you can go back up to your main toolbar and you just click the X, get rid of that, and it takes you back to your main page. So now at this point, we're going to want to print this off. So if you're an adult or a junior, so obviously we're doing for an adult for myself, so we can click this here and it's going to bring this page. And from here, you can go in and type in all your information and everything you need to go with. So just real quick, it's nice because you can just do it right on the computer and then go ahead and print it off once you're done filling all your categories out. So you have your category, that's the list we just went through, and you can go through and give it a quick description. You don't have to go through and put in like aircraft and aircraft, just put in the number, that'll work just fine. And you can go through, once you're done with that, print that off after you've filled it all out. And if you need more than 8, obviously, you just keep on writing and printing. So once you're done with that sheet, once again, you can go back up to the X on your toolbar, click that, get rid of that. Now you need to get your table tags. So now you're going to go a little further down the row. These are your table tags. You get 2 per page. So just go ahead and click that download the table tag. And here you go. Same thing. You can type in your description of what you brought. And this is going to be the tag that sits underneath your model on the table during the show. These 3 boxes you do not have to worry about. The folks at the model show, they will take care of that for you and fill that in as they go. So like say this box, this one, and this one, do not worry about. Other than that, guys, it's pretty easy and simple. So one more thing before we wrap this up. If you are interested in sponsorship, there's a few categories left. And if you scroll down onto the website page, everything in the orange is taken up. So you see there's a few things left here. You got SP2 for science fiction movie. You got some armored, some figure, a few things left. There's not a lot left, there's a few things. So yeah, if you guys are interested in doing a sponsorship, that'd be awesome. And the way to do that is just click here, click on the sponsorship for a class, and this will bring up this form. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and fill this out. It gives you the prices of the sponsoring. Obviously most of these are taken up, so not a big deal. And like I said, if that's something you guys wish to do, that'd be very appreciative, and sponsor a class. Very cool. So there we have it, guys. That is the pretty much the rundown of the website on going through for the 4M Mayhem show. So hope to see you guys there. For me, this is a big deal to fill these out here at home, because I'm that guy that brings multiple models, and it takes me forever to sit at the table to fill them out. This way here, what you're going to do is you're going to fill them out at home, print them off, and then bring them to the show, and you'll pay your entry fee once you get to the show. None of this is done online other than printing them off online, just to kind of save yourself some time at the show. And like I say, if you don't want to do it this way, you can always fill out all this info once you get to the show. So cool, guys, there we have it. Just a quick rundown on how to do that, real quick and simple. And I hope to see you guys at the show. Bring all your models, and bring your money, because there'll be a lot of stuff there for sale. So we'll see you guys. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later.